Hi guys, welcome back. So I am doing this Easter bunny that I purchased from the Goodwill. It was like $4, I believe. It was a nice bunny. Before I did this, of course, I had to wipe it down, and then I realized it had like this small little crack, so I had to fix that, which was no problem. And of course, I wanted to use my waverly white chalk paint, so I did that. Excuse me. And I painted this about 2 times, if I'm not mistaken. And I just went over it back and forth, and I painted not only the outside but the inside as well, because I wanted the entire bunny to be completely white. Also, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you part of my family with Latoya Designs and Decor. And you'll get all of my notifications. I do a lot of small DIYs, big furniture flips, and or big home decor pieces. So once you hit the notification subscribe button, you'll get all of my notifications. And if not, you can always get behind the scenes on my Instagram at Latoya Designs and Decor. You can get all of that in my Insta story. I share that daily, and some other goodies on that channel as well, guys. So the paint, the outside of the basket, I wanted like this peachy color. So I mixed these two peach colors together to get the color that I wanted, because again, we're stepping into spring. So it would come out as being peachy. So the florals that I wanted to put in would actually go, and it would just pop, and it just turned out so beautiful, guys. And so I'm struggling to do this bow, so I didn't use it, and it actually turned out really well without it. So this is the outcome of the bunny and the florals, and I think it just screams spring so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next time. Bye.